Namaskar. Today's topic is Assamese vowel symbols. Let's start.
অসমীয়া স্বৰ চিহ্ন
From A we got akal. From Rasai we got Rasaikal. From Dirghai we got Dirghaikal. From Rasau we got Rasaukal. From Dirghau we got Dirghaukal. From Ri we got Rikal. From A we got Akal. From Oi we got Oikal. From O we got Okal. From O we got Aukal. So these are the Assamese matras. This channel helps non-Assamese students also. So please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below. Thank you. Bye bye.